We are living in the middle of a forest and it's just natural for us to use it. And in early August, usually the blueberry is starting to get ready for us to pick. We are trying to get out in the forest while crafting blueberries and mushrooms and other berries every day. I love this part of the homesteading life so much. The best place to rinse all the berries is of course by the ducks or the chickens. The wild raspberries are also ready now and they are extremely sweet and tasty. Fresh raw jam is extremely easy to make. You just mix together the berries you want and with a little bit of sugar or honey. We use honey because that's what we have. Store it in the fridge and it will keep for at least 1 week. So don't make bigger portions than that you can eat it in about a week. This way of using the blueberries, you will keep a lot more of the nutritions in them and you don't need so much sugar, so that's great. But we usually freeze a lot of the blueberries because we pick so much at the same time and later we will make real jam that stores for a longer time. Now, on the other hand, we are using them to make blueberry wine. I will come back with the recipe for that later. It's really, really good. Like the Norwegian's best answer to real red wine, I think. So here are the result, and now Søren will have to taste it for me. I guess that was okay. So I'm out picking more blueberries before the sheep are eating them all, and all the wild birds as well. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there in YouTube land and follow us for more videos. Thank you. Bye.